Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to fix EA Sports FC25 stuck on loading screen on PC. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already on the article where the link I will provide you on the comment or description box, so you can easily allow to access this link and you will understand by how you are going to fix your stuck problem on your PC. So first of all, you can see we have option or section that how to fix FC25 stack unloading skill. So here you can see you need to restart your PC and game launcher. Sometimes a quick restart of your system and the game launcher can solve temporary glitch. And second, you will have option for optimize your internet connection. Like a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for FC25, especially for loading online features. So that for reason you need to be optimized internet connection. Then I can say repair or reinstall games files. So you can do it by using game files can become corrupted or incomplete, so leading to loading screen issues. Here how to fix it: you need to go on Steam user, right click on FC25 in your library, select properties, then go to install files and click verify integrity and game files. So for other launcher like Origin, select the game and look repair options. If there is a problem persist, consider a full reinstall of FC25 to ensure all files are correctly installed and up to date. Then for maybe you can work with update graphic drivers and system software. You can see the option. First of all, you ensure your Windows operating system is up to date by going to setting, update and security, Windows update, and checking for updates. Then 5 number solution is disable background process and overlays. So you can do it by use Ctrl plus C plus SQL. So here open a task manager, then go process tab, then close unnecessary application, especially those with overlays like Discord, Steam or Nvidia GeForce Experience, etc. So here why does app C25 get stuck on loading screen? So here you will find out why the problem really happens. So here you can see corrupted game files, then network connectivity, outdated game version, system resource limitation, and background app interface. So I hope you already find out the solution why you are getting this kind of issue on your game panel. I hope after watching this video you are now able to overcome this situation easily. If you have any question related to this video, then you are allowed to comment on comment box. I will answer those questions. So till then, have a good day. I hope I will catch you in the next video.